my channel. You see, now we literally like saw each other long time ago. You see, I'm supposed to be in bed already because it's school tomorrow. Like, I don't have plans to go to school because tomorrow is Friday. We're supposed to wear fan day, but now we're gonna wear school clothes. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna show you my mother's bake. It's very expensive and it's very pretty. And yes, my mother's bake. You see, it's very like expensive and it looks really good. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna be showing you guys my bake and my mother's old bake. So I'll be right back. Bye for so long, peace. And here's my bake, guys. Like, here's my mother's bake. It's an old bake. She got a new one. See, so I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I'm gonna read for you this book. It says Camping in the Forest. I think there will be a part two. I don't know. Camping in the Forest. Pooh and Piglet are going to camp out. Are you ready to go? Asked Pooh. Ready, Pooh, said Piglet. Piglet. I think the camp is that way, said Piglet. Who, said a voice. Hello, said the voice. It's me. Oh, who offered to help? So that Piglet and who need a little light as Tiger. Rabbit put up the tent in no time. Piglet crawled inside. He poked his head back out. Do we go to sleep now? He said. Oh no, said Tiger. Now is when the fun begins. So bye everyone. I will see you in part 2 because the book is not done. So bye.